Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. And now for this episode I'm going to show you the unboxing of my network switch. Now it is one of those TP-Link network switch. As for the model number, it is the TLSG108. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you. So it is a 8-port TP-Link network switch. So here you go, guys. This is the switch itself. Around the back there, as you can see, 8 ports. It is made from metal, so it is metallic. That is the power adapter section there, and this is the power adapter. It is actually a 9-volt power adapter. So I'm gonna use this to, of course, send internet to my different devices. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on that subscription button, and of course leave your comments in the comment section of the video. So again, this network switch is an 8-port TP-Link. As for the model number, it is a TLSG108. Pretty much can use for home small business. So it is not one of those huge, one of those great industrial ones. In terms of speed, you can get up to 1000 megs per second. So it is really a decent enough network switch for pretty much small medium sized business. So once again, guys, remember, click on that subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course please remember to share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.